Hey, what's going on? It's your girl Simply Sid. If you'd like to see how I got this black rinse in my hair to make my hair look nice, dark, and shiny, then keep watching. I washed my hair last night and I slept in deep condition, so I deep conditioned overnight. So I'm gonna loose out my hair in the twist and I'm gonna rinse it with warm water. And then I'll be right back. I rinsed out my hair with warm water, so I'm using Adore in Jet Black, and I'm just going to apply it straight to my hair. Once you're doing this step, you want to make sure you use gloves and also wear a shirt that you don't care about. It's okay if the dye gets on your skin. It's going to come out once you shower. You just want to make sure your hair is evenly coated with the rinse. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you want to make sure you work in sections. So section your hair in as many sections as you can. I choose to do 4. So once I'm finished with each section, I'm going to twist and move on to the next section. So I did this to all of my section, applying the rinse directly to my hair, and I'll be back once I completed the 4 section once. I'll be going over it again, so I'll be back to recap then. And like I mentioned, it's okay if it gets on your skin. Once you shower, the rinse will come off your skin. So I'm going over each section again. I'm massaging the rinse throughout my hair, making sure each strand is evenly coated with the rinse. I'm making a mess at this point. I was in a rush because I had some other stuff to do, but make sure you take your time and don't make a mess like me. It's okay. Once again, if it got on your skin, it came out right after I shower. So I'm applying a shower cap to my hair. I don't have a hooded dryer, so I just left the rinse in my hair for about an hour. So I'm gonna use the shower cap as a heat-in, and I'm gonna use my hair tie to keep that heat in. So I'll be back once I rinse the black rinse out my hair with cool water. So this is my final result. I style my hair in a wash and go. My hair is nice, dark and shiny. It's soft. And you can compare how my hair looks. In my first video that I posted here on YouTube, my hair was dry and it was dull, but this is nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.